Okay.
Cloud go over it first.
Huh?
I'm gonna let the cloud go over it first.
Oh, dude, no, you got a ways to go. I'm not waiting that long. Look.
Right there?
Look at the sun.
No, I'm looking right there. Look how quick that's going.
Go.